great. Come on.
The heavens, look at the earth, look at the works of your hands. The sun in the morning, the moon in the night, everything speaks of your greatness. Mountains declare you, rivers proclaim you, creation is singing your name. From generation to generation, your greatness remains the same. You are great, you are great. There is no one like you. You are great, you are great. All creation praises you. From Africa to the nations, let every people sing. You are great, you are great. Our God and mighty King. Great in your wisdom, great in your power, great in your mercy and love. Great is your kingdom, great is your glory. Your throne is established above. I don't need another reason to lift my voice today. When I look upon your greatness, praise comes naturally. You are great.